Hello, today we will do the topic types of computers. Computers can be classified on the basis of their size, speed, and storage capacity. The different types of computers are as follows. First is microcomputer. This is our microcomputer. It has a monitor screen, one keyboard, one CPU and a mouse. It is designed for personal use. It is small in size yet powerful. It is not very expensive. It uses microprocessor. It is made up of hardware, operating system and application software. It is used at homes, schools, banks, hospitals and so on. Desktop, laptop, palm top, tablet and smartphone are some microcomputers. Examples: IBM PC and Apple Macintosh. The next one is mini-computers. This is our mini-computer. It possesses high processing speed and more storage capacity than microcomputers. It is costlier than microcomputers. It is bigger in size as compared to microcomputers. It can support hundreds of users simultaneously. It is used in banks, industries, universities, research centers and so on. Example: PDP-11 and IBM 8000 series. The third one is mainframe computers. This is our mainframe computer. It is big in size. It processes data at an extremely high speed. It is very powerful and expensive. Have large memory. It can efficiently handle a large amount of data. It can tackle hundreds and thousands of instructions at the same time. It is used in large organizations such as banks, stock exchange, railway and airline ticket reservation centers and so on. Examples of mainframe computers are IBM Z series, CDC 6600 and PDP-10. The fourth one is supercomputer. This is our supercomputer. It is the most powerful computer. Extremely fast processing speed. It can tackle thousands of instructions per second. It is very expensive. It is specifically used to perform complex calculations and for weather forecasting, satellite control, space research and so on. Examples of supercomputers are Cray 1, Cray 2, Param, Eta, Tanhe 2, Gray. shape, also known as gravity pipe. Now we will do generations of computers. The evolution of computers can be classified into 5 different generations. With each generation of computers, new and improved technological changes have taken place. The present-day computer has evolved after several decades of efforts. Let us learn about each generation. First generation. In first generation, computers were bulky. They were expensive. They consumed more power. They had small internal storage. They were slow in speed. Examples: ENIAC, UNIVAC, EDSAC and EDVAC. For input operations, it used punched cards. Vacuum tubes were also used. For output operations, it also used punched cards. It started in 1946 and ended in 1958. Second generation. Computers started in 1959 and ended in 1964. It was smaller and faster than first generation computers. They consumed lesser power than first generation computers. They were less expensive than first generation computers. They had large storage capacity. Examples: IBM 1401, CDC 3600 and RCA 501. For input operation, it used punched cards. Transistors were also used. For output operation, punched cards and magnetic tapes were used. Third generation started in the year 1964 and ended in 1971. The computers were smaller in size. They were faster than first generation and second generation computers. They were less bulky. They produced less heat. They needed lesser maintenance. Examples: IBM 360 and 370, TDC 316. For input operation, it used keyboard. Integrated circuits were also used. For output operations, it used monitor. Fourth generation started in 1971 and ended in 1980. The computers were compact as compared to first, second and third generation computers. They were more efficient. They were less costly. They had greater storage capacity. They gave rise to personal computer, PC revolution. Examples: PUP11, DEC10, star 1000. For input operation, it used keyboard, mouse and scanner. VLSI microprocessors were also used. For output operations, it used monitor, printer, plotter and speaker. This is Apple Macintosh. Fifth generation started in 1981 and it is going on. It has very large storage capacity. It has high processing speed. It aims to develop computers that can think, understand and act like human beings. It is based on artificial intelligence, also known as AI. Examples: IBM Sumit, Titan and Sequoia. For input operations, it uses natural language input scanner. ULSI microprocessors are also used. For output operations, it uses robots and drones. This is a Google self-driving car. Thank you.